Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha Izundu if you haven't been here before. I personally love K-beauty, A-beauty, J-beauty, whatever you want to call it. So I'm on the Stylevana website, and it says for Australians it's free shipping over $75 and you get a free sample. Love a free sample. Also, I decided to keep in theme. And my whole face is K-beauty. So I already own K-beauty products, and a lot of these products are actually sold at Stylevana as well. So if there's anything that you like on my face, I will have it all linked down below. And if it is sold in Stylevana, I'll link that as well for you. Here's my box of goodies. I got a few face products and eye products essentially. So the first product I got is from the Face Shop, and it is this lavender makeup base. And it has an SPF of 30. And I actually put this on before my foundation. And I'm not someone who typically needs to wear a purple color corrector because I'm not yellow. I'm more of a neutral base. However, I thought this would be the perfect item to use when I have a foundation that is too yellow for my skin. It's going to help neutralize the tone of it. So it blended in really nicely. So it is purple. And then it blends in. And as you can see, because I'm not actually yellow toned, which purple counteracts yellow, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It blends in really nicely actually. And it just feels like a natural finish. It doesn't feel matte, it doesn't feel dewy. It just feels very natural, and my skin doesn't actually change. Next I have a face mask, and it is from Purederm Green Tea Collagen Mask. Obviously, I haven't used this yet. It is a skin revitalizing and hydrating treatment formulated with green tea extract, collagen, and vitamin E. Ah, that sounds nice. Ideal moisture level of the skin by providing a constant supply of moisture and nutrition. And the pulp cloth retains more moisture than synthetics, helping pores to fully absorb the product. Well, that sounds all right. I've never tried this brand Purederm. I have quite a few K-beauty face masks my best friend bought me from South Korea, but I haven't tried this brand, so I'm into it. This one is made in Korea as well. The rest of the products are all eye products, and I'm going to start with the product that I've actually tried before. This brand is called CHICA Chico, and it's a one-shot palette, and the shade, because I believe there's a few of them, is Dress Code Chili Brick. Can I just say, guys, I have actually never really used an eyeshadow palette from K-beauty before, Korean beauty. And from what I had previously seen, they're very light, not very pigmented, just like a wash of color. Wow, okay, this was not what I was expecting. I'm going to insert a little picture here for you to see what it looks like on my eyes. The photo does not do it justice. This whole palette was gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. One of my subscribers commented on my New to Oz video, you know who you are. This is the palette I used and I absolutely love it. This orange shade here, I'm obsessed with this orange shade. It is just stunning. Oh my God. And this gold shimmer is a lot lighter, but it is the most beautiful topping shade. So it doesn't look like a lot in this lighting. It's hard to show. It is very fine glitter. That's the only way I can describe it. It's not a thick glitter. It's very fine. You can't even feel it on your fingers. It feels like butter. And it just made my eyes look magic. The only shade I haven't used is this one, but otherwise I used all the other ones. I will swatch the orange for you. And this dark purple. It was just really good quality. And like I said, like way more pigmented than I could have ever imagined it was going to be. And honestly, I, like, full disclosure, loved this palette. When I was using it, I was like, this is incredible. And these are my shades. These warm oranges and berries. Oh, heaven. So I think we will do the eyeshadow that I'm going to put on my eyes today. And that is from, I can't pronounce this, heimish. They have a product called, ooh, let me find it. So it's on their website for $28. I'm just going to show you. It makes you look the glowiest I've ever looked in my whole entire life. It's called the Artless Glow Base. Can you see? And I want to buy a bottle. And now that I know that it's sold at Stylevana, I'm like, now I've got good reason. They just have so much stuff. It's the cutest little packaging. It's called Bricks. And then we open it up. And here we have our little eyeshadow palette. Isn't this so cute? And it's got that like soft matte plastic packaging. So we've got a little brush here. I don't know if I'd use it. I mean, maybe if I traveled, I would take it with me. It's so tiny and cute. Can I just say, everything was sent bubble wrapped. This was in a box. Like, some would say over packaging, but when you're getting eyeshadows, you want over packaging. And everything came in perfect condition. So these are the shades here. And they are, I would say, like more muted. This is a lot more intense colors. And these are your more muted everyday colors. So I'm going to do a little quick speed up demo for you.
I want something kind of love to last past Saturday night. I want Sunday kind of love.
Okay, that was, oh my god, this shimmer shade, that just blew me away. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, but drier. It's not, it hasn't got that creamy wet consistency. It is dry, but it goes on like butter. I have from Momentique Time Shadow, and it is in the, this one's made in Korea. I believe this is made in Korea. Made in Korea. Made in Korea. Look how cute this is. This is an eyeshadow trio. Oh, okay, so you lift it up like this. So this is really cute. This would be a really cute gift. Okay, these ones don't look as pigmented as the other ones. I'm not going to lie to you. This is more of a soft, and there are 2 shimmers and 1 matte. So this is a matte, and then the other 2 are shimmers. So it's not bad, but I wouldn't say it's as pigmented as the other 2. And then lastly, oh, this is MACQUEEN. I remember looking it up. It's MACQUEEN. Oh, it says it here. MACQUEEN, New York. This is a Jewel-Poten eye glitter in the shade Orange Topaz. Oh my god, this is my shade. Orange, shimmery orange gold. That is my jam. Look. Oh, okay, swatch. Swatch time. Oh, interesting. It's not as glittery as I thought it was going to be. It's quite a thin consistency. Not bad. It's not bad. I think this would look really pretty on its own, you know, like a one and done shade. As it's drying down, it looks nicer. So yeah, that's that. That's the whole haul. What do you guys think? I think I'm pretty much obsessed with these 2 products. Granted, they're the 2 that I've used, and I've used this one too. So I'm really excited to keep trying them out. So far, a great opinion. And remember, if there's anything you're interested in, it is linked down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching my haul, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!